So this question related to gravitation was asked in JEE Mains 2024. That is, at what distance above and below the surface of the earth a body will have the same weight. Take radius of earth as r. मान लीजिए हमने अर्थ दिखाया है with this center and this is the surface of earth. तो surface से h height पे और surface से h depth पे the weight of the body is same. This can happen only when the value of g at height h, that is g prime, equal to value of g at depth h below the surface, that is g double prime. Okay, now g prime, that is at height h, is nothing but gm upon r plus h whole square. Okay, and this gm we can write as gr square upon r, इसमें से हम आउटसाइड ब्रैकेट लेंगे तो r square into 1 plus h by r whole square. Okay, now r square will get cancelled out and we will get g upon 1 plus h by r whole square. This is the value of g prime. इसी तरह से g double prime जो होगा at depth h will be g into 1 minus h by r. अब हम इन दोनों को इक्वेट कर देते हैं, that is g prime equal to g double prime. So we will get g upon 1 plus h by r whole square is equal to g into 1 minus h by r. Okay, now g will get cancelled out and we cross multiply, then we will get 1 plus h by r whole square into 1 minus h by r is equal to 1. Okay, अभी हम h by r को x मान लेते हैं. Okay, then we will get 1 plus x whole square into 1 minus x is equal to 1. इसको 1 plus x into 1 minus x, so it will be 1 minus x square into 1 plus x is equal to 1. इसको हम खोल लेते हैं, so we will get 1 plus x minus x square minus x cube equal to 1. Okay, 1 will get cancelled out and we will get x cube plus x square minus x equal to 0. Okay, इसमें से x कॉमन ले लेंगे, so we will get x into x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now x cannot be 0, so we will have x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus 1 plus minus root b square, that is 1, minus 4ac, that is plus 4 upon 2a. So this will be minus 1 plus, we take plus value only, so plus root 5 by 2. Okay, so this is the value of x and x is nothing but h upon r. So what will be the value of h? That will be r by 2 into root 5 minus 1. So our which option is correct? This fourth option is correct. Okay, so that is how we can solve this question. Thank you and wish you all the best.